you for me one. So now make me ask feet, just bring it.
I just can't believe Jamaican people pay over 10,000 US dollars and whatever the price is to go see Chris Brown lip singing.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, Lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. I hope all is well, and I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth. Say it? Yes, man, I don't know if we send out the blessings before we start the vlog. Is it? So if you're new to the channel, well, make yourself at home welcome. Give thanks for your continuous support, and if you go subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell scene so when I post a video you will be alerted. As I say, yeah man, so you don't know, once again the support is highly appreciated. Why so we keep it real on the battlefield, you see me? But yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode there, we're going to reason about Chris Brown concert, Chris Brown and friends held at the National Stadium. I tell you, say a be a thing, good turnout. You know what I mean? You know, Chris Brown an international rapper, and good for sister him enlighten, you know, Jamaica, endorse Jamaica and love the vibe. No place like Jamaica star, is it? We just want to crime for dissolve, you know what I mean? Evaporate, eradicate, is it? But anyway, Chris Brown perform the National Stadium, and you know, one front view, sky view, 1.5 million. Wow, I tell them my viewers and subscribers, but people have different views on it. We have popular producer, hitmaker, Kemar McGregor. I give his views, you know what I mean? Yeah, apparently Chris Brown was lip syncing, which is a thing I don't like to see artists do. You see me? So I'm making you Kemar McGregor said, and me give my little views on it. That's it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, we also have a lady. She paid she said one slice of pizza of a $700 zine, and also Chris Brown allegedly take one woman from him, bring her up on stage and bust her gum, support her tongue. You see me? I will go to see what I go at. Say it, but before that, my EP out, you know. Welcome to Kingston, 6 songs, zine, and yeah, we are trying to find some strategy if you get it out there promotion wise. So any help, I highly appreciate it. See me? Yeah man, so yeah man, we are forward.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Greetings. My name is Amory. I am here to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, if you could please kindly go and check out my just released EP titled Welcome to Kingston. It contains 6 reggae tracks with different topics. Why not go and have a listen? And if you like one of the songs, then you can purchase it or add it to your playlist, or even give me a feedback of what you think. Your support is highly appreciated. To get hold of the song, the link is in the description below.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Pussy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. Nice.
Blessed love.
The party's full of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who not there ready, I listen to and love. They are rate down a dance to rubber dub.
Okay, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Please don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Zin? Yes man, so first we kick off the vlog now, the reasoning now with Chris Brown I perform. As I say, you know what, no, we kick it off with the pizza. Watch the pizza, the girl I said the pizza. Here she I say, $700 for your slice of pizza. Yes man, so as you can see on the screen where she wrote, went to Chris Brown concert and pay $700 Jamaican for this 1 slice of pizza me get. Eat it same way, me did hungry. She eat it same way so she did hungry. So she can see so she have regrets with the by the emoji there. You see me? $700 Jamaican. So 1 little slice of pizza. Let me know if you would have bought it with your $700 how much you pay for going in the venue, you see me? Because if Skyview are 1.5 million Jamaican dollars, wow. But let me know if you would have paid that for the slice of pizza. See? Moving on now, watch Chris Brown perform, and them say Chris Brown, take the man and suck out her tongue on stage. Watch what I call.
She no fear, use no finger. You say you feel me one. So now make me ask feet, just bring it come.
Boy, I mean, I know how true that is, but this is where the caption they posted that with the video. Chris Brown took a man girlfriend from him at Jamaica and brought her on stage and kissed her in front of him. If this is true, can anyone confirm that? Boy, I mean, I tell you, Chris Brown a move like Dexter Daps. But anyway, if this is true a big disrespect, a girl can't come back at the end of a relationship. That, if I true with, they see me after winning a girl idiot. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, yeah, Skyview, $1.5 million themselves, you see down in another section there. You see what I say? So, look on the Skyview and tell me if you would pay your $1.5 million.
We wanna preview for the millions of dollars, is it? Alright, so we have the AC them. You know, say buckler in the cinema, you know, AC for your blow box. So over here, so you got cool, because you know the place I got crowded away. So we have the AC them. You know, one stretch pay AC. You know when this plug in and nothing good. You understand? So we have all different section, you know what I mean? The ladies now, nice look dress, you know, so you're just not tearing or nothing. Nice white seat. You know the settings right. Sitting. So you know, so the artist the right over here so I perform. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I might take my one they don't set up and sitting, you know.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know. I don't want to see it. Let me know if you would have paid that money for the Skyview there. You see it? Yeah, 7 brothers, 7 different mind. You know, Lion Foot not telling nobody what to do. If I had the money, I would have bring my girl up front. Yes, make sure you go take in entertainment. But one thing, Chris Brown couldn't call her up on stage. You see, but yeah, man, the place set up nice still, but $1.5 million? No, sir. But anyway, popular producer, Hitmaker, Cameron McGregor, share his views, and also he must say Chris Brown was lip syncing, and I don't think that was right. So anyway, here Cameron say no.
Me a laugh. Yeah. Me a laugh. Me a laugh, right? So here what? Me's a music producer, right? So whenever I see artists performing, right, I can tell if the artists them are lip syncing. You know what is lip syncing? Or lip singing? when the artist record actually playing and the artist mimic it, right? Lip syncing. So may I watch some footage from Chris Brown's show in Jamaica, and I just can't believe Jamaican people pay over 10,000 US dollars and whatever the price is to go see Chris Brown lip singing. Oh my God, I can't believe that. So you tell me, say Jamaican people go borrow loan for see Chris Brown a lip sing? No. Hear me, I say. You see, all of the Jamaican people we go borrow loan for see Chris Brown a lip sing. Una better make sure say una have enough una pitney money for back to school. Why? You say to you? Me say the people who borrow loan in Jamaica to go to Chris Brown's show, una better make sure una have una pitney money for back to school, because you know it's sad how Jamaican people, pay so much money to see Chris Brown for him to be lip syncing. Lip singing, right? It's sad. When Buju Banton was in the National Stadium, right? Buju Banton did a wonderful job. And Jamaican people never turn out for Buju Banton the way they turned out for Chris Brown. And Buju Banton actually performed, right? If you go back and watch Buju Banton performance at the National Stadium, Buju Banton did a wonderful job. He performed and he talked to the people, right?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, here where Cameron McGregor said, Zine, 1.5 million, some people borrow, take out loan to go see Chris Brown, for the sky view. I don't know if that's true, I can't confirm that, but yeah. Him just say, make sure them have them fitness school money for back to school. That's a real talk. And back to school are forward soon. Yeah, man, so. When I like still when I say about when Buju Banton did free and them keep the thing a stadium theme. You know what I mean? So much people never turn out like how them turn out for Chris Brown. And Buju Banton again, natural performance, live, him now doing a lip syncing. You see what I say? And the miming. You see it? So basically, the other thing I say, people pay 1.5 or whatever. Them pay. If you go see Chris Brown and Chris Brown are lip sync. Big artists. I'm not a fan of the lip syncing. I like to see artists I perform live, whether by instrumental. That's what I say at the bands. But I know enough artists who say lip sync. There's Beyonce, enough dancehall artists who say lip sync, reggae artists. But yeah, man. Let me know what you think still. If you don't agree with what Cameron McGregor say. You see me? Yeah, man. I agree with them. I say still, the lip syncing, I'm not a fan, but at the same time, I'm not going to tell nobody say them can't pay them 1.5 million. I wouldn't. You see me? Unless I know someone's a millionaire. If I do spend that, it not jerk me. But let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. See, I want to love a lion foot. Yeah, man. I'll keep it real on the back of field. Check out the EP. Welcome to Kingston. 6 songs upon it. Bad reggae songs. That's it. Blessed love. Bullshites.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Lamobay, you will stay, take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!